Question 6 then. Here's the summary. Okay, we got parts v du. So part 1, I'll call them i's. I equals uv, so it will be x is v, u is e to the 4x over 4, isn't it? And you integrate that, minus the integral of u, e to the 4x over 4, times the v is 1, dx. So you end up with x e to the 4x over 4, and this is another 4 underneath. So it makes 16 plus k. To integrate e to the 4x is just, you write e to the 4x, what does that differentiate to? That differentiates to e to the something goes to e to the something, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 4. So this goes to that. So the integral of this is that. We want the integral of that, so it must be the integral here, mustn't it? So you sort of juggle it around from differentiation. That's how you end up writing it down straight away. So here, this one. So minus 3, the integral of that would be minus 2, so I'm going to write that down. 2x minus 1 to the minus 2. Now if I differentiate this, I get minus 2 than this to the minus 3, which is what I want, multiplied by the something differentiated, so I'd end up with a minus 4. Minus 2 times the something differentiated, which is 2, which gives minus 4. I want 8. So I'll need a minus 2 on top of that, won't I, to get the 8. So that's what we need here. So minus 2 makes 4, this to the minus 3, multiplied by the something differentiated, which is 2. 2 4s are 8, plus k. So that's that one. Now part 3. Okay, separate the variables and integrate. Dy dx then. Is equal to e to the x over, this is sine 2y and this is sine y. Okay, so let's separate the variables and integrate. Integral sine 2y. Sine 2y is just 2 sine y cos y. Times by another sine y. So that's what we got there, and we bring it up to be with the dy. Is equal to integral of e to the x dx. So let's integrate then. This is 2 times something squared multiplied by the something differentiated. So I'm going to try sine cubed. Okay, so I'll put a third there for now. So differentiate this, we get 3 times this to the squared. 3's cancel, and we get our sine squared. Multiplied by the something differentiated, which is cos, but I've got a 2. So I need a 2 there to make the numbers correspond. So when we differentiate this, we end up with this. Integral of e to the x is e to the x plus k. So we get that, and it says solve y equals pi over 6x equals 0. Gives. So what do we get? 2/3. Sine pi over 6 is a half. Sine 30 cubed is equal to 1 plus k. So this is 1/12. 1 plus k. K is minus 11/12 then, isn't it? So 2/3 sine cubed y is equal to e to the x minus 11 over 12 is what I think we get. The implicit solution.